You know me and my what ifs, right? I was looking at all the desktops and I wondered if you have Chadwm already installed, how easy, how difficult is it to get DWM in, right? So Chadwm is a fork of DWM. In my eyes, much better, but that's design-wise a lot of the time, and also, you know, the extras, right? The fancy things that are included in Chadwm and not included in DWM, but that's always debatable. Huh? Often people like fancy stuff, and others they don't. So, how easy is it to Google DWM on arcolinux and get it running? This is the script, the config basically, right? The config. Let's go to the desktop and git clone candy. I'm doing this on Plasma. Doesn't matter, right? As long as you're on Arch. Doesn't matter which desktop. But this machine, important to know, I ran already the arcolinux-nemesis script and XD. This is already filled up with awesome i3, leftwm, qtile, Chadwm, so the fork is already there. So if the application for Chadwm is there, how easy, that was my what if, right? How easy is it to tell to the system to go for this one? Home, config, Control V, DWM. Now, the package, so this is the configuration, the application, sudo pacman -s DWM. If you don't know, you don't know. That's coming Celtic AOR. I thought this would come from Arch. So no. So no. Arch wiki DWM. Anything else I should know? This is the place to be, right? DWM, the Git version, and then some other stuff. But as you see, it's not, well, it's longer than it used to be, but it's not that long. Here's the official website and more stuff. XD. DWM is here. What happens if I log out? So I ran arcolinux-nemesis, I installed Chadwm, I installed all the desktops. Now I did this. What will happen? All right. Anything happening here? Should anything happen there? No. SL status and all that is not there. Control T, Super T. It's already partially working. None of my key bindings are working. So whatever is used as key bindings, Control R, reset, is not there. So we have to investigate. We've got our configuration. DWM is started. It's working. What else does it need? Basically a Sherlock Holmes, rather than going to 3 places. The arcolinux tweak tool, Github, the arcolinux-d Github, and Calamares settings. You'll see that in other videos. Now we're gonna go and look at code and decipher that way. Where is DWM? Arco DWM, Erik. Yes, Arco. There you are. So auto start. What is the auto starting? Well, first of all, cancel. Where's my Sublime? Sublime. Okay. Move the complete Arco DWM in here. Go read, right? You start with this. This we don't have. Okay, fine, no problem. And upload PAMAC tray, variety, XC power manager, blue terry, and so on. There is Pycom here. Log on. Here is SL status. So that's something we don't have. Now the sexy hotkey daemon is there, right? This one should have been launched for some reason, yeah, let's put you here and this guy over here. So for some reason, arco-DWM, the sexy hotkey daemon, is not launching this. Would be great if it did. Ctrl-T, sudo pacman. This is small. Minus remove sexy hotkey daemon. It's there. Right? It's there. Close. So that would be great if that would be there. The SSL status is not that important. It's just some information on the bar. The conky we don't care either, but conky is not installed, so it won't launch it. Variety is there somewhere. Is here, variety. So that should have kicked in as well. Strange, right? LL. That's executed. It's executable. We have a rebuild here. Scripts. Yeah, sure. Let's do a rebuild. Let's see. Super Shift R. We can't do that here. Yeah, Sherlock Holmes, right? I got this feeling of what's going on? Nope, not X11. So, we got variety. So, voila, that's okay already. Now probably that will work as well. Ctrl-Alt-O. That's Compton. So if Compton is behaving badly in VirtualBox, shut it down. And then voila, we have this. We have FF, fast fetch. DWM is working. I don't know what the difference is between one and the other because, right? Don't see it. Alt-T, trashing this one. Bye. And that's another one. Alt-T, trashing this one. So all the key bindings are working. Ctrl-Alt-T. And there's a spike if working, right? You can see through it. That's nicer. FF. Let's leave with this image. All right. Cheers.